One of the most important articles of clothing for Frankenstein's monster is surprisingly the shoes. A lot of people don't look at shoes on costumes, but with Frankenstein it's important. The shoes should be black or again dark gray with a very uniform look. Slightly worn is better. These shoes definitely are. Having a slightly industrial look, steel toe, or other more industrial features on the shoes are great. Another thing is the bottom should not be smooth. You should not be looking like you're going to senior prom or an undercover agent with these shoes you're going to wear as Frankenstein. They should have texture and soul to them. I mean, this is a monster who's lumbering around and has a big plodding footfall to him. You don't want something squeaking. You don't want something that looks like it's just shined 5 minutes ago. You want to keep all those things in mind with your Frankenstein footwear. Even dress shoes are better than sneakers. I've seen several Frankenstein costumes which look incredible until you get to the feet. And there they have the neon yellow shoes with white swooshes on the side, which totally ruins the effect. Definitely keep it black and subdued at the least. Worn and industrial is even better.